Question says in triangle ABC, length of side AC and AB are 12 cm and 5 cm respectively. If the area of triangle ABC is 30 cm square and capital R and small r are radii of circumcircle and incircle of triangle ABC, then the value of 2 capital R plus small r is equal to. So we have triangle ABC over here. Now its area will be equal to half into 5 into 12 into sine theta, which is equal to 30. So therefore we have sine theta's value to be equal to 1. So therefore theta will be equal to pi by 2, which means that it is a right angle triangle at point A. So the triangle looks something like this. Now we have the incircle, that is small r to be equal to s minus a into tan a by 2. Now a is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore a by 2 will be equal to 45 degree, which is equal to 1. So therefore we have incircle's radius small r to be equal to small s minus a. So therefore we have 2 capital R plus small r to be equal to s. Now it is given, now since a is equal to 2r, so therefore we have 2 capital R plus small r to be equal to s, that is 30 by 2, which is equal to 15. So